found an axe. I stuck to
Mark my territory.
and I found an axe. Anyhow. So, are you ready for another ears bleeding vlog? So, almost nothing has changed on that side and that side.
But
I have worked on this side, so here you can see an improvement. So I've finished that window table, but it immediately got covered in junk. I mean, it's not junk, it's my tools, but it's really messy. As you can see, this is my microphone station. I have to make some sort of hood to catch all the dust. And this is my drill press station. Nothing has changed from the first time I built it, but it worked okay, so I left it as it is. All the shelves are empty because I'm planning to build some sort of boxes to store my stuff inside, because now it's just a dust collection system. That part came from the very first workshop and I had just to put it together, but these two units I made from scratch, so I can tell you what I've done. Here's my lacquers and other varnishes cabinet. It's really convenient. Took some time. And this is my glue and silicone rack. Can be removed. You can see all the labels and you don't have to randomly check everything. And these two slots are empty. I made some spacers so you can put the, let's say, one brand here, spacer, another brand here, and such. What else I've been working on are these. And I understand that it's rather controversial, but I will say that I'm not a hunter nor a taxidermist. I'm just a woodworker, and I make wooden parts for this kind of furniture.
so
Another project is laying on the table. I'm preparing that aluminium, and after painting I will be assembling it to the kind of structure, and I will ship it abroad. So it's just one of those projects which I take just to pay my bills. It's not what I do every day. So nothing crazy has been going on in my workshop for the last 2 weeks. It's just day-to-day works that needs to be done, and it's okay. It's really what it is. But I would love to leave you with the thought that it doesn't matter how busy your days will look, how boring some of the works might feel, but please find some time to make what you truly love. It kind of rejuvenates you. For example, one day when I had really a lot of work and I felt that I'm super busy at the moment, I had to plane a few planks and I realized that I don't have a proper acoustic. So I took some time and made this one. I mean, I could have gone with a plank and a stick and that would have worked just as fine as this one, but I took 2 hours to carve this one, and now I have a piece that reminds me what I truly love to do. And the fun fact is that the second half of the day when I was working, I was super efficient and I probably done more than I could have done in the first place. So please find time to